911, what's your emergency?
I'm sorry, who's this?
Zyra.
Oh, I thought you got fired.
No, I was on vacation.
Oh, well, I need help finding my dog.
Who told you I was getting fired?
Oh, I don't know. Some new dispatcher lady said that you got fired.
For what?
She said it was because you were really mean to people and you never actually helped them.
Oh, hell no.
But I really need help finding my dog. I think he's lost.
We can talk more about your dog later, but right now, you gonna tell me what's up with me getting fired.
Man, please. I don't know where my dog is.
Man, fuck your dog. I don't care.
Ooh.
Pretend your dog's name is Waldo and go look for him.